Hi guys, what's up? This vlog is more of a documentation of the wedding that I attended last weekend, which was yesterday, which was Saturday. I still have a lot of makeup on because there was a lot of rain. We danced a lot and like it was so much fun. Basically, you can see the tiredness is out of happiness because it was so much fun. So this vlog is a compilation of like the entire wedding. I couldn't wait to post it, so I posted it immediately. It's not a long vlog, it's just like a 12-13 minute vlog, I guess, because I wanted to enjoy the wedding. I didn't vlog a lot, so yeah, I tried my best. And let's see, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was sorry, I forgot to introduce, but it was I'm like, it was, how do I say this? So it was Akhil and Yas's wedding. Akhil and Yas have been like my friends, not from too long, but from a year, I guess. Yeah, a year easily. And we've been, we met in the most randomest way. I was backpacking in a hostel called Zostel in Wayanad with a friend. And I met a couple of people there, so we started talking. And then Akhil and Yas just came up to us and they started playing board games with us, which is so weird because nobody usually does that. So, yeah. We played board games, we started bonding, and like we made like a whole new relationship with Akhil and Yas, and we met them a couple of times after that. And then we like suddenly we know that they're gonna get married, and honestly this was like the best decision that they could ever made, at least for me, because I've seen them together and they're such a beautiful couple. They are amazing with each other, and I'm sure every relationship has like ups and downs, but they made it so far, which is so beautiful. And I got to witness that, which is again even more beautiful. Excuse me for the looks, I'm working, I've had like a long day, so I tried to edit the vlog as much as I could, but I wanted to post it ASAP because I don't want this moment to die, and I wanted to share it with you guys as soon as I could, because I know some people saw it from my stories. So yeah, one of the best weddings. It was so beautiful. There was amazing food, champagne, games for the guests. They not only thought about themselves, but they thought about the guests that were making it. They were so thoughtful about everything in the wedding. Honestly, it was such a good experience for me because I know that most of the weddings that I've attended have been so exhausting, but this wedding was so beautiful. It was so thoughtful, so comfortable, so warm, and just like it was so good because Akhil and Yas took care of everybody as their own, and they didn't differentiate between anybody. And they were so transparent about everything. They wore the best outfits, and like all of us were wearing black, so we felt so united with each other. And we all met new people, but it never felt like we were meeting new people. It felt like we were meeting family. So I feel like this is how a wedding should be. You shouldn't feel like you're a guest, or you're like so you're like attending someone's wedding and you're being the guest, and it shouldn't be so formal. It should feel instantly that you can connect with everybody, you can connect with the event, you can connect with the groom and bride, and no matter what side you're from, you should still feel like family. And this is what they actually kind of portrayed and helped us all feel. So yeah, I hope you guys feel the same through the vlog. I hope you enjoy it. Again, I'm so sorry for the way I look, but this is just me. And let's get into the video. We are ready to go. Wearing black as per the dress code. Yes. Yay to Akhil and Yas. They're finally, I mean, they already got married, but this is like a good reception for us. Congratulations! I am dressed. I couldn't do my makeup on camera because I had no power. Once I get there, we are going in auto, then we're going to go in bus. It's going to be fun, I hope.
See this, it's about to rain.
Yeah, it's about to rain. Guys, we are in the bus. Everyone's wearing black. Shifty! Say hi! Hi!
It's a group, Baba.
Yasmin's home.
I like traveling, and I like old Bollywood music, and one of my favorite is Kishore Kumar. Yeah, that's it.
My name is Suraj Sharma. And I know Akhil and Yasmin through Shweta.
Dance. It's so cute. There's the bride and groom very far away, but it's so cute. That's so cute.
This.
Thank you. Oh, now it's. And show me your band.
Which band? I don't have any band, Shweta. Which band you're talking about?
Show. That side. See, it says taken off market.
Scanner code on the group chat. Is everyone here on the WhatsApp group? Yes. Okay.
And please come on the right side of the stage.
Nobody actually see anyone to scan
Oh, that's an elimination round.
I need a group of 15 people.
What the fuck?
4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Everybody just stand where you are.
Got out.
10 people.
Yeah.
If I see 10 people.
Math is not math.
Macho, okay. But once again, that didn't happen. You know, Akhil's life story is that way. But once again, in 2009 was one of the worst episodes of Akhil's life because Akhil had his first ever heartbreak. Okay, not from a girl, no, and not from a boy either. Okay, otherwise we wouldn't be here. Okay, please wait for this life in 2016. She met Akhil. Oh no, not met Akhil. That wasn't the interesting life. That was signing up for Toastmasters. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, Toastmaster guys is here. Okay.
Both of you.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
I thought you were both of you going with Maple Highball.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Is it a proper movie?
Crazy. Are you guys? Yeah, like what? Are you gonna take shots like this? It's so cute. Show me your name. Suraj and Shweta.
So yummy.
It's got to know.
I'm so happy.
I remember the day we walked in as a friends.
She was talking about one third wave cafe. Most of our decisions happen in third wave cafe. I don't know. Should we go to the hike or not? And then we decide, no, we have to go. I think we really like that. We have to go. We booked the next flight again. We're not supposed to do that, but normal people don't do that. We booked the next flight again, and then we rushed through. We find out that there's no direct flight, so we took an intermediate flight. We imagine that it's open.
Everyone showing up on time, as Akhil said. Thanks again. So this is to Akhil, Yas, and to everyone. Thank you.
Okay, so
Champagne.
I'll introduce myself first. My
Cheers.
name is Ashish.
Shut
I am
Who fell for the other person first? This might be controversial. Some show is gonna come fly at Akhil. Clumsier out of the two. Who has? I'll throw another expected question. Who has a better fashion sense?
Trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, man, me, don't pay. Trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give man of me, I know. Give the road. Trailer for sailoring.